Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make board on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the plus sign at the upper right. Then choose board. Start by typing in a name for board. Tap on the next button at the upper right. Then start by adding pins on your board by selecting images. Tap on Done at the upper right. And that's it. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.